Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to repair your corrupted video online without using any software. So just visit this URL. This is the from Wondershare, and here guys upload your corrupted video to repair, and now wait for a few seconds. So now you will see video repair succeed. Preview and save the repaired video now. So preview and click on save video. So just upload your video to this website and click on fix, and now preview and save. And if you are not succeed using this online format, so download free software from this site and try to repair your videos. So thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not.